ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
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 नारायणं नमस्कृत्य
नारायणं नमस्कृत्य
नरं चैव नरोत्तमं
नरं चैव नरोत्तमं
देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं
देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं
ततो जयमुदीरये
ततो जयमुदीरये।
नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु
नष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु
नित्यं भागवत सेवया
नित्यं भागवतसेवया
भगवती उत्तमश्लोके
भगवती उत्तमश्लोके
भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी
भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी।
ग्रंथ श्रीमद्भागवतम की श्रील प्रभुपाद की। ओम अज्ञानतिमिरन्दस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुन्मितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। श्री चैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपकदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकं। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे श्रीगुरुं दीनतारणं परमानन्दमाधवं। ग्रंथ श्रीमद्भागवतम की जय। सब इकट्ठे भक्तों की जय। Hare Krishna. Thank you so much for coming and participating wholeheartedly. क्योंकि बार बार नहीं पाइए इस जन्म की मौज। We have got a Prabhu, maybe otherwise check with the security. I think close the door please. हरे कृष्णा। अच्छा अच्छा, आप लोग आगे आ जाइए। हरे कृष्णा। You all can come in front. Those who have to manage the small children can stay at the back. No worries at all. So suppose if I am employed as a laborer by a contractor to build a villa in Dubai. ये सब दादा लोग बनेंगे बड़े होके। So suppose if I am employed as a laborer in Dubai to construct a villa, and they say, okay, every day we will give you how many dirhams? 50 dirhams or say 75 dirhams, 500 rupees. Okay, Indian situation. भाई थोड़ा कम शोर मचाना भाई। ओके, मचा लेना लेकिन थोड़ा ध्यान रखो। अब suppose I reach in the morning and contractor is not there and I wait the whole day for 8-10 hours and work has not started. Will I get paid or not? I should, right? Correct? Should I be paid or not? I should be paid. Similarly, once we have come in devotional service and we said to Krishna, we don't know, we have come. We are trying our best. Our labor majuri is going on. Balance, if it doesn't happen anyway, you have to give the payment. Because what else can we do? We have come. अब नहीं हो पा रहा तो नहीं हो पा रहा. We have come to construct the villa. But if it's not possible, I am trying my best. The work is there, but I am not able to do that much. Then it is contractor's duty to make me work. Suppose I am going slow. The contractor knows I have to pay him. So what will he do? He will force me. Similarly, if we surrender to the chief contractor, Lord Krishna himself, then he will make sure that you work for him and payment has to be made. So we have to remind Krishna, सर जी हम रेडी हैं, लेबर कर रहे हैं. अब इससे ज़्यादा अगर आपको एक एफिशिएंसी चाहिए तो यू हैव टू मेक इट. ओवर टाइम ऑल्सो इज देयर and that is 1.5 times. And on holiday if you do, today is holiday actually. Our holiday has started. We are getting overtime. So this is the situation. Okay.
Prabhu 9.22 Vinay.
Huh?
Yogakshem Vahamyam. I carry what you lack.
Yeah. Exactly. Well said. I will preserve what you have and I'll give you what you lack. सही बोला बिल्कुल. Yeah. Absolutely. So last time what did we conclude? Which katha was concluded last time? Dhruv Maharaj was concluded. Now we will continue. So Maitri Muni now asked. So after the kingdom of 36 years was done and then he goes on to the plain with his mother. Then after that what happened? Maitri Muni said he had two sons. Last time we touched upon this. One was son Utkal and another one was Vatsara. Utkal was like Jal Bharat. He was already realized by birth. So he said, "Ye Raja Vaja ke chakkar mein I don't want to spend my time." So he acted like a dumb and deaf guy. He was least bothered. थोड़ा सा भैया वॉल्यूम कर लेना नीचे, लिटिल वॉल्यूम डाउन. ओके, थोड़ा सा वॉल्यूम बस, सॉरी. Okay, so he was behaving like Jal Bharat because he didn't want the throne. So the ministers and everybody thought this fellow is of no use. Because such people are, see, whatever is of use in material world is of no use in the spiritual world. Whatever is of no use in material world is so totally useful in material and spiritual world. Because we are upside down, na?
Perverted.
Correct. So he had a younger brother. So all the ministers said, "Ye Vatsar ko bana dete hain." So he was made the king. Now Bhagavatam tells us, we are in Canto 4:13. See, whatever is written is all from Srimad Bhagavatam. Somewhere shlokas are being taken, somewhere they are not taken, but I am not applying my mind here. Copy paste MS Word, PowerPoint. So Vatsar's wife name was Pushparna. He had a son named Dosha. He had a son named Vyusta. He had a name called Sarvateja. He had a son called Chakshusha. There are chapters giving all the lineage. Chakshusha's son was Ulmuka. Ulmuka's son was Anga Maharaj. He was a great king. And Anga's son was Vena. Who said this? Jayo. This Vena, Maitri Muni said he was a very bad character. Now can you imagine such a lineage of Dhruv Maharaj and suddenly, so Krishna's arrangements are unique. किधर कोई भी हो सकता है. उधर हिरण्यकश्यप की फैमिली में प्रहलाद महाराज आ गए. रावण का भाई हो गया तो विभीषण हो गया. सो यू डोंट नो कि भवानी क्या लीला है. सो son Vena was very, 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 very crooked. And Maitri Muni just made a statement to Vidur Maharaj. Then finally Anga got fed up and he left for the forest. So Vidurji asked, "This is something unique. Why did he leave? What suddenly happened?" So he then explains. He first gives a summary, but let's go through the sequence. So he said, such a gentle king, and he got hold of such a son that he was troubled so much that he had to leave the kingdom. This is unheard of. How come? Prabhupada writes, when in certain conditions it is possible that a father, a mother, a child or wife can become an enemy. Today's topic. Can a father, mother, child or wife become an enemy? Any suggestions?
Yeah, if you are doing wrong deeds, your family can go against you.
Fantastic, very good. Yes, wonderful. ओ टीनेजर्स का प्रॉब्लम, या बट एनिमी तक तो नहीं जाएगा, बट बन भी सकते हैं अगर बिल्कुल अगेंस्ट चले गए तो।
बचपन में रोकी गई कोई बात जो मन में घर जाती है, फिर
Yeah.
एनिमी के रूप में बड़े होते होते बच्चों के दिमाग में बैठ जाती है।
दैट इज ट्रू।
शुरू में जैसे ध्रुव महाराज को उन्होंने उतारा,
यस,
तो वो हमेशा के लिए उसके दिमाग में बैठ गया, वो नहीं।
very true. Yes, so it is possible, right? Now there are two connotations of this. One is at a material platform and one is at a spiritual platform. Becoming enemy. Can a father become an enemy? Can a mother become an enemy? Child, wife become an enemy? Chanakya Pandit advises on the platform of material platform. How these people can become an enemy within the family. Okay, take it with a pinch of salt, but there is truth in it. Okay, because it is hard hitting. When materially a father can be an enemy for the son, guess. एक तो आपने बोला not listening. Fantastic, big round of applause. This is the right answer. In other words, father is an enemy if he leaves too much debt and passes away. Nowadays the laws have come. Why should I pay? My father took, you go and take from him. But in our earlier days, if the father has taken, the son would repay the debt. Hey, Haribol, Narsimha Aarti pe. Free. You are completely free. और एक कोई और है? Oh, now we have company. Haribol. Many Mridanga players are going to come from this seva. So if the father leaves too much money as debt, the son is in big problem. Father is an enemy. When is a mother an enemy? Mother is impossible. But Bhagavatam tells, Prabhupada quotes Chanakya Pandit, when can a mother be an enemy for the son? Mother means relationship, right? Father, son, mother, son. Guesses?
मदर-इन-लॉ बनती है तो कुछ
Okay, very good point. Mother-in-law bani to bhai obviously the new one has his own desires. It can be very true. इसमें मुझे एक याद आ गया. There was one, मैंने शायद शेयर किया होगा. एक घर में बेगर मांगने गया भीख. माता जी कुछ दे दीजिए. तो the daughter-in-law was standing outside. उसने कहा इधर से भागो, इधर कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, आगे चलो आगे चलो. तो पीछे मदर इन लॉ खड़ी थी. उसने उस बेगर को बोला इधर आओ. तो बेगर खेम बोला तुम्हें पता है इस घर का ओनर कौन है? बोले नहीं माता जी. बोले मैं इस घर का ओनर हूं. और तुमने उसकी सुन ली? उसने कहा ओके माता जी गलती हो गई, अब मैं कह रही हूं तुम्हें कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, जाओ. So such is the situation. So mother, Chanakya Pandit tells, can be an enemy if she marries for a second time. Can be an enemy. Oh, okay. So then in that case, suddenly and after marrying, if she has her own children, then even a bigger problem. I know one family, she married second time, first one was divorced. They had a prenuptial agreement that they will not have children because she had 2 kids from the earlier one. So something very sensible. Now, when is a wife an enemy? क्या क्या एक एक करके सुनेंगे.
खत्म नहीं हो पाएगा.
खत्म नहीं हो पाएगा.
वो आधा घंटा रह गया बस.
मतलब हस्बैंड लोग करे यहाँ तो छोड़ दो, घर पे बन जाना एनिमी, इधर तो माफ करो. हाँ वापिस घर भी जाना है. नहीं वो एक फैक्ट है. 2 magnets which are pole apart, they attract each other. नॉर्थ पोल कभी अट्रैक्ट नहीं करता. नॉर्थ पोल साउथ पोल ही अट्रैक्ट करेगा. तो वो लॉ है। और सेम वैरायटी होगी तो क्या मजा आएगा। तो दूसरा वाला मजा लेना बेटर है, मतलब कहने का ये बयान के अंदर। A wife is an enemy. Please take it with a pinch of salt, but it has a lot of merit. When she is extremely, 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 extremely beautiful, then she is an enemy for the husband. Because इतना लोग उसको चढ़ा देंगे, तो घर पे तो उसको उतना भाव मिलेगा नहीं। तो क्या होगा? She will feel this fellow doesn't care for me, and then she will find somebody who is financially better, somebody who is more handsome, somebody who is more powerful, somebody who is more opulent. And then in Singapore, our company banker, that lady told me, most of the bankers for private wealth, those who are managing billions for the clients, they recruit very young beautiful girls because bank has to attract lot of money. Most of them are divorced after getting this job. Why? They are extremely beautiful. They are dealing with billionaires who can pamper them much more, and if the Shastric value system is not there, who cares? They will pamper you, okay? So, and when is a son an enemy? Haji? Sorry? Huh? E-commerce? Mama's boy? मतलब यह भी मम्मा का रिलेशनशिप है। वो पॉकेट मनी बंद कर दो। नहीं, बट जनरली, ए हरे कृष्णा, ओ भाई लोगों, मेरे पास स्पीकर है, मेरे पास माँ है। इनके पास भी माँ है, बट इतना लाउड नहीं है। So, son is an enemy, Bhagavatam tells, Chanakya Pandit says, when he is foolish and rascal. That is what we will see. Why are we discussing this? We will see King Vena was a fool number one. He was so cruel. He would take the small kids, put them in the well. He will go, deers are simply grazing, he will just kill them for the fun of it. He was so crooked. So the life for the father became hellish. Now this was the material platform. Now see from Bhagavatam point of view, what happens in these cases? If some Krishna consciousness comes in the picture of this enemy situation. Let's take one by one. Father is an enemy. Example in scriptures, Hiranyakashipu. But because of the son Prahlad, what happens to Hiranyakashipu in the end? He was liberated because Narasimha Bhagwan killed him. So from a spiritual angle, this situation can be put to use. So what is materially very bad if the sense comes? Otherwise it's hell. Second, let's take. Mother is an enemy. She marries for a second time. Okay, second time वाला मुझे example नहीं पता, but mother is an enemy. अभी देखा सुरुचि वाला केस, उसने मैरिज कर लिया था. ओके, मैरिज ही है वहां पे भी, सुरुचि एंड सुनीति. देन नेक्स्ट वन, वाइफ इज एन एनिमी. बट उस केस में क्या हुआ? एटलीस्ट Krishna willing, after they were dead, they would have been rescued by Krishna because family में ध्रुव महाराज है, प्रहलाद महाराज है. Let's see, when wife is an enemy, ये वाला हो गया. अच्छा जी, एक और एग्जाम्पल है, दशरथ एंड कैकेयी. कैकेयी was very beautiful. and he was like sold to her. And that's the reason when she helped in the army while fighting, he gave her a boon that anytime you can ask, and then she asks the boons, right? So this is, but Dasharath ji went back to Lord Ram abode even before Lord Ram went. So in a way, from a spiritual angle, not an issue. Son is an enemy, foolish and rascal. That is the one today we will see what happens.
So when the husband can be enemy,
Huh?
when the husband can be enemy.
Husband can be enemy. Husband can be enemy. Okay. The wife is that is Dasharath and KK. A husband can be enemy. Unfortunately, Chanakya Pandit only quotes about wife. That fellow is I think he is a male chauvinist. Male chauvinist. But you can say that actually the husband supported a lot, but there are cases. There is one in Maharashtra. I don't remember the name of that lady devotee. She wanted to go to the one of the processions of the Lord, and she was forbidden by the husband. I'll tell you one story, okay, on this. There was one king, and after marriage, he figured out, just to example, when husband is an enemy. Husband can be enemy. Rest assured. So now it can be used for the benefit in the spiritual path. Because husband enemy hai to ab. So what happened after marriage? He found out that this Rajkumari is a Param Vaishnav. So he put ban on her. She cannot meet anybody. And he would punish her for doing any seva. And one day what happened? The king, he had a terrible disease. And he just couldn't do anything. And then Lord came to his vision. If you don't let your wife do devotional service, you stay in this condition. And then the king's eyes opened. So husband can be, so it depends. If one takes this situation only in material platform, it's of no use. Only, just see, anything material problematic you think more, we will be in trouble. I will tell my example. Yesterday I watched the news too much. In the night the head was like, my God, then I decided 2 times a day, more than this I cannot tolerate. High pitch, people are killing. So भैया थोड़ा वो क्या है, sages say that newspaper is कली पुराण. कलिकाल का पुराण है. फर्स्ट पेज से लास्ट पेज तक ओनली डिस्टर्बेंस. तो थोड़ा ध्यान रखने का. ओके, लेट्स प्रोसीड फर्दर. ए हरे कृष्णा, you can come here and give discourse. Okay. Now, Maitri Muni said that he was so bad, King Vena, that, hey, Hare Krishna, घर के लिए एनर्जी बचा कर रखो. So he was so bad that the sages, they decided to kill him. So Maitri Muni said, this doesn't sound proper. How can sages kill a king? Can you please tell what happened there? So Maitri Muni starts telling. What is the time, Prabhu? 9:12. Okay. So once what happened, Anga, he planned Ashwamedh Yajna. See, if we ask material things only from Krishna without adding the words,
If you are possible.
if you think it is right, then only give me. If without this, if you ask, see what happens. Anga is from Dhruv family coming. he planned to do Ashwamedh Yajna. What is the objective of Ashwamedh Yajna?
तीनों लोगों का राजा
घोड़ा छोड़ देते हैं, जहां जाएगा वो हमारा राज्य को टैक्स देगा. If you hold the horse, then fight with me. So the purpose of Ashwamedh Yajna is what? Expansion of material opulence. भगवत प्राप्ति नहीं है कि मैं अश्वमेध यज्ञ करूंगा and I will get Golok Vrindavan, I will go. That's not the purpose. It's a material desire. Okay. Lord Rama, when he did the Ashwamedh Yajna, at that point in time, there can be areas where the rule of Ram Raj, the way he wanted, is not there, or it's there, it needs to be reinforced. That is one. Secondly, see, if an aeroplane is going in the sky and red light comes, will it stop? No. It applies on the road. Similarly, for Supreme Personality of Godhead, what they do, they are doing spiritual activities in this material world. That is why the Sakar form of understanding is far difficult than Nirakar. You can see so many bewilderments happen there, right? So this is how it is. So he invited the Devatas. So the oblation was going on, Om Swaha, Swaha, Swaha. But none of the Devatas came. Vasant Prabhu is revising. Okay. So, none of the Devatas came. They said, what is wrong? So he consulted the priest. भैया देवता लोग लेने क्यों नहीं आ रहे? I am offering them oblation. They said, sir, you don't have a son. That is why they are not coming. Now you will see some beautiful things here about having the son and not having the son. So this, today what we see in recent past, I should have a son, I should have a son. That is not the case in Srimad Bhagavatam. We will see this. In Vedic Parampara, both are equally treated. The importance is whether they are devotee or not. Other qualifications don't matter. You can see so many. Mirabai was one of them. So priest said, let's do a yajna for Lord Vishnu. Now see the conundrum. Yajnartho karma anyatra lokoyam karma bandhanaha. One does the yajna for Lord Vishnu. He was doing Ashwamedh Yajna. Now to get a son, he is doing a yajna for Lord Vishnu. So finally, one personality appeared from the yajna and gave a kheer, and that he gave to his wife. Now see, objective was not Krishna in the center. Objective is to do Ashwamedh Yajna. Now see what kind of son Anga gets. Please repeat. Sabala eva purusho matamaham anuvartaha adharma amsho udbhavam mrityum tena abhavad adharmikaha. Sabala eva purusho. Sabala means balak. Eva purusho, male child. Mata maham anuvartaha. Mata is what? Mother. Maham means father of the mother, meaning Nanaji. This Balak who was born was a follower of his Nanaji. And Mrityum, that Nanaji was death personified. So he was a follower of the death personified. And how follower? Tena abhavad adharmikaha. He was in the dynasty of Adharmis. So he came from that and he wanted to follow. So he was completely irreligious king, who's going to become later king. Name is Vena. Anga's son. Now he would kill. Now Anga, as his father's duty, he punished many times, but of no use. Sometimes punishment can be more problematic. You have to really decide. Anga became very, very aggrieved. Now see two shlokas, they are very, very interesting. 4:13:43. Prayena abhyarchito devo ye praja grahamedhinah kad apatya भ्रतम दुख ये न विंदति दुर्भरम. हाँ जी, Anga was so much troubled that he said like this. Prayena abhyarchito. Probably, abhyarchito matlab worship. Probably those abhyarchito, they have worshipped Devo, the Lord. Who? Ye apraja. Those who do not have a son, looks like they have actually done worship of the Lord. कि कृपा करके ऐसा लड़का मत देना. Bhagavatam is telling. Ye praja graha medina. Probably, if you really interpret it, it means probably they worship the Lord who, without a son, persons living at home. Those who are living at home without a son, probably they worship the Lord. Please don't give me son. Don't give me what kind of son? Apatya. Somebody who's like, and kad apatya bhratam dukkham, because bhratam means cause. They will cause misery. Yena vindati, and they therefore are not suffering from durbharam, because they worship the Lord. Please don't give me such a son. Better not to have a son. If he is going to be like this, they must have worshipped. See, doesn't it contradict to what is being practiced? Sometimes मुझे लड़का ही चाहिए. नहीं, लड़का ऐसा नहीं चाहिए जो बाद में किंग वेणा जैसा बनेगा. And people are worshipping. Please don't do this. Now see the contradiction of Bhagavatam. Please repeat. Kadapatyam varam manye sadapatya achham padat nirvidyet grahan matyo yat klesha nivahagraha. Now see the reverse he is talking. Kad apatyam, the bad son, varam is better. A bad son is better, manye. I think bad son actually is better than a good son. Why? Nirvidyeta. Because nirvidyeta means becomes detached. Because of such a bad son, I can get detached from grahan mrityo. इस मरने वाले संसार में I will be able to detach myself because of a bad son. Therefore others may have prayed, don't give me bad son. मतलब ये है, अगर good son है तो then one can be Krishna conscious because good son. अगर bad son है then also it can be good son. It can be good provided one says अभी यार ये परेशान कर रहा है, detach हो यहाँ से. यत क्लेश निवाह ग्रह, because क्लेश ग्रह means hellish. ये घर को इतना हेलिश बना रखा है, उससे मैं डिटैच हो जाऊंगा बिकॉज ऑफ दिस बैड सन. देयरफॉर ही इज बेटर फॉर मी. सी द टू श्लोकास हाउ इट इज. सो दोज हु हैव ददामि बुद्धि योगम तम, कृष्णा गिव हिम द इंटेलिजेंस, रियल इंटेलिजेंस, कि क्या हो गया अगर ये है थोड़ा कष्ट हो रहा है बट अब तुम हायर कॉज के लिए जा सकते हो. तो मतलब कहने का ये है, इफ वी आर इन अ गुड सिचुएशन लाइक विद अ गुड सन, then at home Krishna consciousness will be there, Ram consciousness will be there. If it is not like that, then also it can be utilized by being detached, because why should we suffer? Let me be detached. ठीक है जी, clear? What's the time? 22. 8 more minutes. Now he says something great. Who is saying this? Vena's father, Anga. He says, please repeat. एवं सन्निर्विन्न मनानृपग्रहान् निष्ठ उठाय
निष्ठ उताय
महोदयो उदयात्
महोदयोदया
अलब्ध निद्रो
अलब्ध निद्रो
अनुकल्पितो नृभेर
कल्पसितो नृपे
हित्वा गतो
हित्वा कथो
वेन सुवम
वेनस्वं
परसुप्ताम।
परसुप्ता
हाँ, एवं सह निर्विन्न मनः। मनः मीन्स निर्विन्न मीन्स detached, like this, indifferent. So his mind became indifferent. And rapaha grahat. At home itself, he became indifferent. And nishithe uthaya. Nishi is what? रात में उठाया, वो उठ गया. In the night he got up. And Bhagavatam says, see, he is suffering in a way, but Bhagavatam says, Maha Udaya Udayat. जो ग्रेट महोदय, दोज हु आर ग्रेट सेजेस, उनका ब्लेसिंग उसके ऊपर हो गया इन दिस सिचुएशन. हाउ? अलब्ध निद्रो. लब्धा मीन्स देखना, अलब्ध मिला नहीं, निद्रो विदाउट बीइंग सीन, निर्भीर बाय एनीबडी इन द किंगडम. हित्वा गतो वेण सुवम परसुप्तम. वेण सुवम मीन्स वेणा's mother, his wife was sleeping. Parasuptam, and he hitva gato. Gato means chala gaya. So in the night he woke up because his mind was disturbed, and Bhagavatam tells us that this is a great fortune which came upon him by the blessings of great sages, and therefore he got up and he left for the forest without telling even his wife. So good or bad situation can both be used in Krishna consciousness. This is what Bhagavatam is telling. अच्छा है तो अच्छा है ही है, खराब है तो उसको अच्छा बना सकते हैं. थोड़ा कष्ट तो होगा भाई, अब वो तो अब क्या दुखालयम अशाश्वतम, लेकिन ब्रह्मभूत प्रसन्न आत्मा. हाँ, हरि बोल, क्या बात है, जय हो. 9:30 हो तो बताना प्रभु. हाँ. So thinking like this, King Anga could not sleep at night. He became completely indifferent to the household life, and therefore he got up from the bed and left Vena's wife, who was sleeping deeply, and he proceeded towards the forest. He very silently gave up. He gave up all attraction. Prabhupada elaborates on Mahaudaya. So anyway, we have touched upon it. Now, who is telling this story to whom? Maitri is telling Vidura. So he told. Next day people searched for King Anga. भाई कहाँ चला गया? But he couldn't be found. Now the sages, headed by Bhrigu Muni, they said without a king तो बहुत problem है. Because suddenly when the thieves came to know, rogues came to know that he is not there, suddenly irreligion started. But they knew that Vena is not good, but they thought we need a king. So the sages, after consulting ministers actually said no. Put president's rule, don't put him. But they said, we will manage him. So they put King Vena as the king. One good thing happened is all the thieves and everybody, they stopped stealing. Because that fellow was so cruel. चोरी किया तो हाथ ही नहीं काट देगा, पैर भी काट देगा. So they said, भैया. But he stopped all devotional service, sacrifices, charity, all the devotional service he stopped. Why?
His mindset was like that.
I am the one. I am God. So therefore, he was made king to save people, but actually he started destroying them. So now the sages thought, let's do one thing. ये तो इट्स लाइक मेंटेनिंग दिस फेलो लाइक अ स्नेक विद मिल्क. एक तो इसको बनाया, ऊपर से ऐसे कर रहा है. एंड इफ द पब्लिक विल नॉट फॉलो द स्क्रिप्चर्स, नॉट ओनली दिस फेलो विल फॉल डाउन, इवन दे विल फॉल डाउन. सो दिस इज अ lose सिचुएशन. सो लेट्स डू वन थिंग. He has become enemy. So they thought, let's do one thing. Let's go and try to give him good advice. If he listens, very good. If he doesn't listen, people will be against him, we will be against him, and we will curse him to death. Let's go and give it a try. So therefore in office also, if you look at it, you will find this situation. Somebody who everybody has somebody in mind. So that fellow must be saying wrong things, but position of power is there. So if he's not listening to us, we may wish to counsel that fellow through somebody by escalating the matter, but you can only escalate if he doesn't take your name. If he goes and says Rahul Bhargava is saying like this, how can you behave like this? मैं तो गया फिर. This is the practical aspect. So they thought like this. So therefore, sages approached King Vena, and he said, "Dear King, we have come to give you good advice. Kindly hear us with great attention. By doing so, your duration of life, your opulence, strength and reputation will increase." तुम्हारा भले के लिए बोल रहे हैं. Sages said, "भैया, don't spoil people's lives. If their life is spoiled spiritually, you will be ruined. Please allow the Varna Ashram Dharma to be followed. Engage yourself and the Praja in Supreme Personality of Godhead in His devotional service, and then Lord will be satisfied. Your people will be satisfied. Your opulence will further grow." What is that? Last shloka Bhagavad Gita. No. हाँ, यत्र योगेश्वरो कृष्णा, जहाँ भगवान कृष्ण है, भगवान राम है. यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धरा, उधर कर्म है, वो करने वाला योगी है, लाइक अर्जुन. तत्र, वहां पे श्री, क्या है वहां पे? विजयो. भूतिर इज एक्सेप्शनल पावर. तत्र श्री विजयो भूतिर ध्रुवा, सर्टेनली. नीति भी वही है. सो मेनी पीपल से कृष्ण जी ने तो ऐसे कर दिया, क्या नीति है? बट जहां भगवान है वही नीति है. यू मे नॉट लाइक इट, डजंट केयर, हु केयर्स. खुद का नहीं दिख रहा है क्या किया है, पर दूसरे को. एनीवे, सो 4:14-20, प्लीज रिपीट. तस्मिन् तुष्टे
तस्मिन् दुष्टे
किम प्राप्यम
किं प्राप्यं
जगतामीश्वर
जगतामीश्वर
ईश्वरे
ईश्वरे
लोकः
लोकः
सपाल
सफलः
हय तस्मै
तस्मै
हरन्ति
हरन्ति
बलिमाद्रता.
मातृका.
उन्होंने बोला, भाई ऐसा मत करो. तस्मिन् तुष्टे, जगत तुष्टे. इफ यू सेटिस्फाई लॉर्ड कृष्णा, the entire universe is satisfied. We saw that in which case? Practical example of Draupadi, अक्षय पात्र. वो इतना भर गए थे कि उन्होंने बोला अब तो जाना भी नहीं चाहिए. युधिष्ठिर महाराज might curse, I have cooked for 10,000 disciples, what I am going to do with this prasad? We face this challenge, right? Sometimes 10 devotees prasad is left, everybody is upset. Correct? इतना मेहनत से भगवान का प्रसाद बनाया, वो 10,000 का बनाया उसने, और एक भी नहीं आ रहा. हो गया? ओके. सो ही सेड तस्मिन् तुष्टे किम प्राप्यम. भगवान को अगर तुष्ट कर दिया तो कुछ भी प्राप्त कर सकते हो. कुछ ऐसा है ही नहीं कि जिसको प्राप्त नहीं कर सकते. बिकॉज ही इज जगतम ईश्वर ईश्वरे. ही इज ईश्वर ऑफ द ईश्वर्स. एक बार उनको तुष्ट कर दिया, सेटिस्फाई हिम. व्हाट इज देयर विच यू कैन नॉट गेट? लोकः सपाल है तस्मै. जितने भी लोकपाल और जितने भी हैं देवता, है तस्मी हरंती. What are they doing? They are offering to Lord Krishna बलि माद्रता. With great pleasure they are worshipping, because वो satisfy हो गए तो उनकी ऐश हो गई. So he said, please you allow devotional service, yajna, everything you please allow. Varnashram system for your benefit and their benefit. ग्रंथ श्रीमद् भागवतम की, श्रील प्रभुपाद की, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की. हरे कृष्णा. एनी क्वेश्चंस, कमेंट्स, कॉन्ट्राडिक्शंस? In spiritual world all contradictions are reconciled. In material life no. देखो एक बात है, at the end of it we have to surrender to Krishna. Otherwise no. I'm just saying for the sake of rus. Anything happens, he said, उस जन्म में तुमने ये किया था सर. अब किया था. सर्वधर्मान परित्यज्य. आपने क्यों बोला? अब किया था, अब हो गई गलती, अब क्या करें? किसको जस्टिफाई?
how you are.
हाँ, मैं अपना ही केस बता रहा हूँ. अब कुछ हो रहा है प्रॉब्लम, अब पुराना, अब भाई हर जगह पे भीष्म पितामह वाज टोल्ड राइट, आपको क्यों बाणों की सही शैया पे है? बोले 100 जन्म तक आई हैव नॉट डन अ सिंगल सिन. लॉर्ड कृष्णा, व्हाई एम ऑन द बेड ऑफ एरोस? महाभारत टेल्स दिस. ही सेज गो बैक बिफोर 100. हाँ, before 100 births he had taken an insect and in the guda he put a thorn and therefore he had to suffer. अब भीष्म पितामह कह सकते थे सर सर्वधर्मान परित्यज्य, मैंने कर दिया सरेंडर, अब क्यों भुगत रहा हूं? बट नहीं बोला तो भुगतना पड़ा ना. नहीं, बट मैटर ऑफ द फैक्ट इज whereas on the other side is Ajamil. Look at that, the fellow, what he didn't do. His life, was his life as compared to Bhishma Pitamah? Bhishma Pitamah was unfortunately on the wrong side, but that was Krishna's plan. He is what is that? He is one of the नहीं, he is one of the, what is 9? क्या वो कितने? What do you call them? Mahajans. He is one of the Mahajans. So this is the situation. Yes. Any questions? It's okay. One day we can do only question answer. You all can write down, I will write down also. Yes.
And somebody came.
Yeah. That is why Devatas are not coming. So, see, this is a materialistic yajna. This yajna, the yajna done for.
They say, no, if you have daughter, it will not work. The boy, if you have the boy, it will work.
It is very simple. If it is material thing, you can say son, daughter, whatever. If it is spiritual, it doesn't matter. Daughter is better than a son. Son is a better than daughter because they are devotees. Somebody told me, a devotee whom you don't like at all is better than a materialist. Think about it. Because कम से कम बुरा तो नहीं करेगा आपका कुछ, अच्छा नहीं करेगा तो आपको सेवा नहीं देगा, इतना ही है ना. किसी और को दे देगा, कोई बात नहीं, भगवान की अनलिमिटेड सेवा, 1000 दे, नो प्रॉब्लम. चलो भाई बच्चा लोग, ऑफ करके नया बताना.